all you are most welcome in this class. I hope that all you are staying well in your home and carrying on your study. Let me remind you that in my previous video I discussed equation of motion by graphical method. Today we are taking the topic numericals based on equation of motion. Question first. A ball starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 2 meter per second square. Find the velocity of the ball after 5 seconds. So first you have to read the numerical. Then after you have to write given. We have to see what is given. A ball starting from rest. Starting from rest means initial velocity is 0 and we represent initial velocity by symbol u. So we write here u is equal to 0. A ball starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 2 meter per second square. Symbol of acceleration is small a. So a is equal to 2 meter per second square. Find the velocity of the ball after 5 seconds. T 5 seconds. Find the velocity means you have to find out the final velocity. V question mark. Let me remind you equation of motion. First v is equal to u plus at. Second s is equal to ut plus half at square. And third v square is equal to u square plus 2s. These are the givens. Very simple. Which equation will you apply? Answer comes first equation. So we write first equation. V is equal to u plus at. And now you have to put the values. We have to calculate u 0, a for acceleration 2 multiplied by t 5. So 0 2 5 the 10. So v is equal to 10 meter per second. Question 1. Find the velocity of the ball. So velocity of the ball means final velocity of the ball is 10 meter per second. So it is very simple. Okay. Now we are going to take second question. Now I give the second question. Question 2. A body starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration of 5 centimeter per second square. Find first part time in which the speed of body becomes 50 centimeter per second. Second part distance traveled by the body in this time. Okay. So first we read the question properly and we note down the givens. Okay. So we take first part. Given a body starting from rest. Once again, body starting from rest means initial velocity u, that is 0. A body starting from rest moves with a uniform acceleration uniform acceleration, that is 5 centimeter per second square. Symbol of acceleration A. So I write A 5 centimeter per second square. Find time in which the speed of body becomes 50 centimeter per second. Means V 50 centimeter per second. Okay. We have to calculate time, so T question mark. We have UAV and we have to calculate T. Which equation of motion will you apply? Very simple. Once again, first equation of motion. That is V is equal to U plus T. Okay. V 50 U 0 plus A 5 T is to find out. Okay, very simple calculation. 50 is equal to 5T, therefore T is equal to 50 upon 5 and 10 seconds. Do not forget to write the unit. So value of T is 10 seconds. So there should be no any doubt. First you write the givens, then apply the formula in the equation of motion and you get the answer. This is the answer of the first part. Still we have the second part. Okay. Distance traveled by the body in this time. So what is to be find out? Distance. And symbol for distance S. Question mark. Already these are givens and you have to calculate distance. These are the givens. You have to find out the distance. Very simple. Which equation you will apply? Definitely second equation of motion, S is equal to ut plus half at square. So we write S is equal to ut plus half at square. We pick out the values from here. S is to be find out. U once again 0, T just we have got 10 plus half into A 5 T 10 0 into 10 0 half 5 10 square 100 2 5 10 50. So we multiply 50 into 5 505 5 5 25 meter. So once again we get the answer of second part. Distance traveled by the body in this time, that is 250 meter. Just a minute. One thing. Here we use centimeter, so answer will be in centimeter. And finally we can convert it into meter. That is, we divide it by 100. That equal to 2.5 meter. Okay. So this is the second question. Now we approach towards the third question. I need third question. Question number 3. A body with an initial velocity of 18 km per hour accelerates uniformly at the rate of 9 centimeter per second square over a distance of 200 meter. Calculate. Question has two parts. First part, the acceleration in meter per second square. Second, its final velocity in meter per second. Once again, we take first part, the acceleration in meter per second square. We look at the question that acceleration is given in centimeter per second square. Okay, so we write A is equal to 9 centimeter per second square, and question is the acceleration in meter per second square. Here 9 centimeter per second square, we know 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So very simple, 9 divided by 100 meter per second square are 0.09 meter per second square. So answer of first part of the question is 0.09 meter per second square. Now we take second part of the question, that is its final velocity in meter per second. Final velocity means v. Now we see the question, a body with an initial velocity 18 km per hour. Simplify initial velocity u. So u is 18 km per hour. We have to notice one thing here, that unit of initial velocity given in kilometer per hour. You know SI unit of velocity is meter per second, and when you want to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we multiply by 5 upon 18. So we multiply 18 into 5 upon 18 to convert into meter per second. So 18 cancel. What we get? 5 meter per second. So u is 5 meter per second. Okay. Once again I read, a body with an initial velocity of 18 km per hour accelerate uniformly at the rate of 9 centimeter per second square. This is A, and we have converted in meter per second square in the first part of the question. So again we note it down. A is equal to 0.09 meter per second square over a distance of 200 meter. Symbol for distance S. So S is equal to 200 meter. So what is question in second part? Its final velocity. Symbol for final velocity, that is V. Question mark. Yes. Once again, which equation will you apply? Givens are these. Yes. Definitely in your mind, which equation is striking now? That is third equation of motion. Yes. We write here v square is equal to u square plus 2as. Okay. Put the given values. U 5 meter per second, 5 whole square, 2a 0.09 as 200 meter. Very simple. 5 square means 25. Okay. Now you will multiply 2 9 ja 18, 18 2 ja 36 and 2 0 also. So what overall you have? 3600 and decimal here. Okay. Therefore, 36 plus 25, 36, 46, 56 and 5, 61. V square is equal to 61. So, V is equal to under root 61. We will find out the square root of 61 also. Once again, you go back to junior classes, square root of 61. Okay, मैं करते हैं 1 1 जा 2 2 जा 3 3 जा 4 4 जा 5 5 जा 7 7 जा 49 8 8 जा 64. So we take 7 7 7 जा 49. Once again 7 7 14 11 9 2 5 4 1. Decimal 1 pair of 0, table of 14, 14 is 112, 8, here 8 also, 8 is 64, carry 6, 8 4 is 32, 6, 38, carry 3, 8 1 is 8 3, 11. 10 4 6 9 8 1 48 8 8 8 16 4 1 5 1. Once again a pair of 0 one time, very simple. So we write here 1 and 1 by 6. Leave that. So all we have the value 7.81. And what is the SI unit of velocity? You know what is that? Meter per second. So we write here meter per second. Thus, students, we expect that these numericals will help you solving more numericals. Okay? Thanks.